Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to clear app cache on Pinterest. Maybe you've noticed that Pinterest is running slower or taking up too much storage on your device. Clearing the app cache can help resolve these issues. So today I'm going to show you how to clear app cache on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to our profile page. On this page, tap on this three dots icon located at the top right corner. A menu will appear, and here, you should select the settings option. On this window, tap on this privacy and data option. Here, you will find various privacy settings for your Pinterest account. In this section, scroll up and below, you can now see this Clear App Cache button. Now, since you wanted to clear the cache of the app, you simply need to tap on this option. After that, you now have successfully cleared the app cache on Pinterest. This should help improve the app's performance and free up some storage space on your device. There you go. If you wanted to know how to clear app cache on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to clear up cache on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.